Finally, I've got it out. I'm ready to start it. The fuel's on, the choke's on. It's been 20 months. This is going to be a proper cold start. Hopefully it is going to start. It should do. My RM's always been pretty reliable. Well, it's always been very reliable, touch wood. This is going to be a good test. Hopefully my jets aren't blocked. I changed the fuel. It's ready to go. Oh, that is a surprise then. Second kick, the first one was really feeble. I'm not including that. But these engines start so well. I can't believe that it fired up like that, and it doesn't seem like I need to clean the jets. So that's all good. That's it then. This wasn't really a warm-up. This was more of a test, because it obviously hasn't been started for so long. I just wanted to make sure everything was fine before I push it up to the track. I'm pretty confident now. Next job is to kit up, then I'm going to stick my GoPro on and I'm going to go for a rip around the fields.